Hey y'all, it's Dr. Lori, and today I am going to share exactly how you can quickly boost your MCAT score. If you are feeling stuck or you're not really seeing improvement, don't stress. I am going to guide you step by step through a proven strategy that will get your score moving upward fast. So grab your notes because every part of this video is actionable. First, you need to quickly figure out exactly what's holding your score back. Take your most recent full-length practice test and thoroughly analyze every question that you got wrong. Here's your process. Categorize your mistakes into 3 clear groups. First, content gaps. You simply did not know the material. Second, strategy mistakes, misreading, overthinking, or poor timing. And third, calculation or analytical errors. They're common in the Chem Phys or the Bio-Biochem sections. Your goal is to identify clear patterns immediately. A lot of times, a significant score increase is hiding in just correcting repeated errors instead of learning entirely new concepts. Next, adjust your schedule strategically based on your analysis. Most students waste too much time passively reviewing topics that they're already comfortable with. So instead, drastically shift to active learning methods that are targeting your identified weak spots. Do this effectively by dedicating at least 70% of your study time to active recall, practice questions, flashcards, or teaching concepts out loud and reviewing missed questions. Limit passive learning, videos or reading notes, to a maximum of 30%. Immediately remove topics from your schedule that you are consistently doing well on and double down on your high-yield weaknesses. Rapid MCAT improvement also comes from strategically targeting high-yield content. Not all MCAT topics are equally tested. High-yield topics to master immediately are amino acids and protein structure for biochem, acid-base chemistry and titrations from Gen Chem, kinetics and equilibrium from Gen Chem, enzyme kinetics from bio and biochem, major psych-soc theories and definitions for psych-soc, and experimental design passages for all sections. Prioritize memorizing these topics cold. Mastery here leads to a fast score jump. If you want a rapid score increase, you must analyze practice exams effectively. Here's the method that our top students use. Review all questions, right and wrong. Understand why each correct answer was correct. Write brief explanations for missed questions to solidify understanding. After each review, create an immediate action plan to address weaknesses in your next study sessions. Doing this consistently transforms your exam-taking skills within weeks. Finally, to boost your MCAT score rapidly, tweak your test-taking approach. Immediately skip and flag challenging questions to maximize easy points first. If passages overwhelm you, skim questions first, then read strategically. Regularly simulate full-length exams to condition yourself for test day endurance and confidence. Rapid MCAT improvement isn't just about content. It's also about mindset. Visualize your target score to boost your confidence. Regularly remind yourself of your capabilities and your progress. Follow a predictable study schedule to reduce anxiety and enhance performance. Finally, if you're not seeing progress after following these steps, don't hesitate to get help. Working with a structured program or coach can make a huge difference in rapid score improvement. Know when self-study is not working and pivot early. Consider targeted tutoring or structured prep programs to maximize efficiency. Rapid MCAT improvement is possible, but it requires precision and strategy. Try this actionable guide and you will see significant improvements. If you found this video valuable, please like, subscribe, and comment below to tell me which step helped you the most. I'm here every week with more tips to help you conquer the MCAT and get into med school.